Hello, I'm Wei Dong. Welcome to Teleaid. Our team aims to help with HIV instances in South and Southeast Asia, especially in Philippines, which has one of the fastest growing HIV epidemics in the world. And we want to help with creating an online platform to connect HIV patient with a local provider, have the referrals and help them to order HIV product in a timely manner. So we can see in the different country, HIV patient has been increasing in last 35 years.
So in the last 30 to 35 years, people living with HIV in South and Southeast Asia are still increasing, with the 1990 treatment goal of UNAIDS still a pipe dream. This is where Teleaid comes in. Teleaid is a platform where high-risk patients connect with HIV-trained physicians in order to facilitate faster access to testing kits and preventative medicine. Our site will also use machine learning to identify and predict high-risk areas to increase awareness within the population. Now for our product demo, our website is actually live and can be viewed at www.teleaid.xyz, and we are here to help people like Peter. Now, to get started, Peter needs to choose the location where he is closest, and as you can see from the options down below, we have all the different HIV facilities in the Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia. Now, another interesting functionality of this is that Peter can also click the map, see the locations, including the phone number, and more importantly, the availability of these facilities. So now Peter can then sign in, and if he's not yet registered, he will need to be registered. But once he is signed in, Peter will initially be talking with a bot secretary named Anna. Now once Peter is signed in, Anna is gonna welcome Peter. And then Peter is gonna say hi, and then Anna will ask, will you give your consent for this application? And Peter is gonna say yes. And Anna will ask, what is your name? Peter, of course, will answer Peter. And then where are you from? And Peter is gonna answer Philippines. And then Anna will ask, how can we help you? Then Peter is gonna write, I need HIV testing. So once Peter writes that, Anna is gonna say, these are the current locations of testing and treatment, but I need to refer you to a counselor first. And Peter is gonna say, okay. Once Peter has talked to the counselor, Peter will now be able to click here and see all the different products, including the HIV test, and more importantly, the other HIV prophylaxis medications. Peter is gonna write, for example, his name, his shipping address, the city, including the credit card number, and then Peter will click checkout. And then at the same time, Peter will also be able to see all the different products, including the in-home HIV test and the preventive prophylaxis medications. Now, once Peter has asked for help and as the help has been provided, Peter will now be able to log out once everything is done. So this is our revenue model, and this is our roadmap. And together with Yusong, Weidong, Vishnu, I am Dr. Lowell Sala of Team Teleaid, and we would sincerely like to thank you for listening to our project. Again, thank you very much from Team Teleaid.